Hello, I'm Mrs. Burke, the proud principal of James J. Ferris High School. It is with excitement that I welcome you to school year 2023-2024. My staff and I are excited to welcome you to our annual parent orientation. Tonight, you will get the opportunity to learn about our school policies and procedures to help your child make a smooth transition into high school or throughout their high school career. Parents, please make sure that you follow the schedule of your child so that you can ensure that you meet all of our teachers and our staff members. Here at James J. Ferris High School, Student Voice Matter. I encourage you to download our app so that you can stay current on student life activities, stay constantly in communication with our teachers and staff, and also remain up to date with your prospective students' academic progress. At this time, you're going to have the opportunity to meet some of my other administrative team.
Muy buenas tardes a todos. Good evening, parents and guardians. Welcome to another academic school year. Among the many things that I do here at Ferris, I'm proud to say that I'm in charge of scheduling and school events. This year, we've had a huge increase in our enrollment, and I like to think that it's because we are doing great things here at Ferris. We have a great diversity amongst our staff, our students, our school activities, our events, and even our academic programs, such as Leaps and Bounds, SLLD, ESL, VPA, and of course, we can't forget our 5 famous SLCs here at Ferris, our School of International Enterprise. Finance SLC, Marketing SLC, Office Management SLC, Hospitality and Tourism SLC, and Supply Chain and Demand SLC. I hope that when you leave here tonight, that you encourage your child to join a club, join a sport, be part of an activity here on campus, perhaps go to tutoring, partake in community service, and lastly, get involved with one of the many opportunities that we offer here at Ferris. For example, this year, we have a partnership with Liberty Science Center and Bank of America, which is only exclusive to our 11th graders. We really hope that our kids get involved here and do great things, because after all, that's what makes high school memorable. So we hope you have a great year, and we wish your child the very best here as well. Take care, and thank you for coming.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Emilio Pane. I'm one of the vice principals here at James J. Ferris High School. I'm in charge of business, mathematics, Leaps and Bounds, and the SLD program. Also, one of my major responsibility is the state testing that we are required to take. For example, Start Strong, PSATs, SATs, NJSLA, and NJGPA. If it comes to testing and state testing, you will contact me. If it comes to Leaps and Bounds and Leaps and Bound transportation, I'm here to support. I look forward to meeting you in person, and don't hesitate to always reach out, and we'll be here to answer your questions. Once again, good evening and welcome to the House of the Bulldogs.
Hi parents, my name is Dr. Gary Gentile. I am one of the vice principals here at Ferris High School. I oversee the student discipline in the building, as well as the CIT, Science Department, English Department, and Special Education Department. I'd like to welcome you to the 23-24 school year as we embark on this new journey with our students. Ferris High School has a long reputation of being a great school in Jersey City. If there's anything I can do for you, feel free to contact me and we can work together to best assist your child. Once again, thank you for your support, and I appreciate what you do for your children on a day in and day out basis. Thank you.
Good evening, Ferris community. My name is Mr. Battle, and I'm the athletic supervisor here at James J. Ferris High School. I'm here to talk to you about our athletics program. In the fall, we have football, boys and girls soccer, girls volleyball, girls tennis, cross country for boys and girls, and esports. In the winter, we hold basketball for boys and girls, indoor track, boys and girls, bowling for boys and girls, as well as swimming for boys and girls. In the fall, we have baseball, softball, boys volleyball, boys tennis, outdoor track and field for boys and girls.